On this webinar, we will be discussing commercial and military compliance for permanent magnet products. This will be dealing with many types of rotating electrical machinery. They often use permanent magnets, surface mount or internal permanent magnets for that type of rotating electrical machinery used in motors and or generators. Just navigating the compliance when it comes to rare earth elements for permanent magnets, it gets pretty confusing. There's quite a bit of discussion and confusion and what do I need to do to be compliant with my overall supply chain when I'm supplying to a DoD and or military application. Besides just regular ITAR-DFAR regulation that we've had for many, many years, not too long ago through the FY19 National Defense Authorization Act, there was a new section, an updated section called the John McCain Act with these updates, and there was definitely new regulation placed upon the permanent magnet industry specifically. So what we're going to do today is review some of those regulatory and legislative updates that we've had to work with the last couple of years now, try to make it as clear as possible for everyone attending this webinar. So this way, on a go-forward basis, you source your product with the most accurate supply chain that you can source that is compliant with the legislation and regulation.